Riding my car, ain't stunting. Window down and I'm sliding. I got a pocket full of money, but niggas be thinking I'm childish. I been doing this on my own. What make you think that you can stop me? Nope. I just been getting that bag. That bag been coming too empty. Nigga, it done got heavy. Thought I had me a Simmons. Nigga making all they moves. Might as well be the Senate. Nigga, I'm like a major because I got all the trumpets. Cari crew, what it do, man? It's your boy Cari Beats, man, back with another. Well, I guess I say POV, but as y'all can tell by the title, man, I'm doing one of those. As y'all can see, we ain't got no gas. You know what I'm saying? We ain't got no gas. And Olivia right now. And we're finna see how much it costs to fill up Olivia, you know what I'm saying? But before I get started, man, make sure y'all hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, man. On the road to 10K, so get your boy to 10K the quick way. You know what I'm saying? So we're gonna turn this on. I'm gonna go ahead and hop out. I don't mind my feet. You know what I'm saying? I got Crocs on. Heat over there, though. You feel me? Oh, I got the heat. Oh, I got the heat on me. Yeah. There's a Mustang. And another Mustang. But yeah, man. As y'all can see, Cari crew. As y'all can see, man. This is Olivia. You know what I'm saying? I'll keep looking behind me because I was looking for something. But y'all can see, Cari crew, this is Olivia, man. You know, for all my new subscribers that haven't been paying attention or just don't know, you know what I'm saying? Or didn't care to watch other videos. This is Olivia. We're finna see how much it costs. I'm to fill up. I might not fill her up, I ain't gonna cap, but close enough, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, as y'all can see, we are on E, you know what I'm saying? So we're finna get straight into that. Hold on. We're finna get straight into it, man. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, I'm gonna work my magic right quick and I'll turn y'all back on. Cari crew, I had the fuel light still on, but I gotta go to the other pump, cause I don't know what's going on with this one, man. I'm gonna talk about something. I'm gonna talk about C cashier after they let me, you know what I'm saying, put my card in and get it approved and everything. You gonna say C cashier? I'm like, come on, man. This how I go right here. Cause that one over there slow, boy. That mother pump so slow. I don't know why though. But that mother pump slow. I get back into it, Cari crew, man. We were rudely interrupted by, you know what I'm saying, a gas pump, man. I don't understand how stuff like that be acting up when we paying it, you know what I'm saying? Let's try this again, Cari crew. Hopefully Pop, he probably ain't gonna say nothing to me. Most people try to tuck your head off, but especially when you wanna record. I don't be recording now, so nothing. You gotta have that 93. Okay. And we're off. Yeah, as y'all can see, man, we on the road. You know? But we're gonna see, man. I got a stopping point, I ain't gonna cap, but I'm just gonna see. You know what I'm saying? My price for down here, you feel me, $3.50 each, you know what I'm saying? That's the Cari crew discount, you know what I'm saying? Everybody can get that. You know what I'm saying? If you know, you know. But yeah, man, we're gonna see. How much it be, y'all? Let me know down below, man, how much y'all think it's gonna be, man. How much y'all think it's gonna be? Comment down below before we even get to it, man. It's gonna be cheap. I think it's gonna be anywhere from 40 to 50. So I don't know if I'm gonna fill it all the way up to the brim, but I don't know, I'm gonna see. But we're gonna judge it, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna show y'all how it look and everything. And you know, so you can base it off of that if I don't fill it all the way up. But we at 7 gallons right now. You know what I'm saying? Under $30. Going pretty good. Okay. What y'all think, man? What y'all think? We got 33. I might well fill up though, man. When I'm finna go, gas be way higher. And I ain't trying to, you know what I'm saying? I spend more money up there. I might just fill up here. So yeah. Oh yeah, 40. I don't fill my car, y'all, at all. So it hurt me every time I see it. Or fill it up from E. Oh, it hurt me so much. I do this for y'all, man. It's literally for a video and for more content, literally. You know what I'm saying? I do this for y'all, Cari crew. Oh, yeah, 50. Oh, yeah, 50. Clean BMW. Oh, yeah, 55. I might have to stop this, bitch.
Ooh, car got stopped this bit. Oh, it stopped. 5860. As y'all can see, man. 5860. You know what I'm saying? In the big Olivia, man. Big 392, you feel me? I don't even want to touch it because I ain't even wanted to get that close. I'm just going to leave it where it's at. I'm going to leave it where it's at. And I tell y'all, bro, I ain't filled up Olivia like this, bro, since this since I bought the car. Like, when I bought the car, when they gave it to me, and then one other time, Cari crew. Literally. Other than that, man, she always been like a quarter to full. Anything of that nature. Let's see what she talking about. But that full tank be looking nice, boy. 329 in a scat. Come on, man, who doing that? But yeah, man, as y'all can see how much it cost, man. $58.60 to fill up a scat. You know what I'm saying? At that price, you know what I'm saying? That was at $3.58. You know what I'm saying? Roughly $3.60. You know what I'm saying? Most of y'all probably pay like $5, $10. You know what I'm saying? Something like that nature. But Cari crew, man, I'm finna grab something to eat right quick. I'm gonna turn y'all back on, man. That's probably gonna be a wrap for the video. After I do that, man, give y'all a pull or two, man. And I got some more bangers coming. You know what I'm saying? I got more bangers coming. Stay tuned, man. Literally finna get some action recorded today, man. So more than likely. So y'all just stay tuned for that, man. Make sure you hit that like button, like I say. Hit the subscribe button, man. On the road to 10K. Get your boy to 10K the quick way, Cari crew, man. Get your boy to 10K the quick way. You feel me? Before the end of the year, man, we're gonna have 10K. We're gonna pass 10K before the end of the year, you know what I'm saying? But Cari crew, you know what? I might well just end it right here, you know what I'm saying? I might well just end it right here, man. I ain't turned the camera around in a while, but I'm gonna just end it right here, Cari crew. Trying to see how it looks. But yeah, man. But that's gonna be a wrap, man, for today's video, man. Make sure y'all hit that like button, hit that subscribe, man. On the road to 10K. Get your boy to 10K the quick way. And like I said at the end of my video, man, got a goal you're trying to achieve, any kind of accolade, any kind of milestone. Do that milestone, do that goal. Sky's the limit, and you can touch it. You know what I'm saying? Sky's the limit, you can touch it. And like I said, for all my religious folk, man, keep God first, keep him in the mix, man. Y'all already know how they go. Stay prayed up, stay blessed, man. Trust in them, trust the process, man, and build a relationship with them, man. That's for all my religious folks, you know what I'm saying? If you know, you know. You know what I'm saying? But like I also say, at the end of my video, Cari crew, I'm out of here like yesterday. Peace.